writing letters to foreign in the 90s.
Dear Liza, my big daughter, how are you? I am fine and I hope you are fine too. Every time I remember you, Liza, my big daughter, water come at me eye. Your papa still there stubborn same way. Even though the doctor tell him say him have arthritis in him right liver, him still don't want left the white rum. Everybody at church say me must tell you how they do. And Sister Mavis with her fast self, every day she must have asked me, is overseas, abroad, or foreign you there? She can say, she want you carry down 2 ganzi and 1 crepe for her when you come done. Our granddaughter passed our common entrance to go a nice hall-age school and she not stop walk and boss. Me get the money where you send last week and tomorrow me I send Charlie go to the hardware and can buy the black them and the cement so by the time you come back, the back room done build up. Anyway, my daughter, me love you and me hope this letter reach you in peace. Oh, P.S. Hurry up and file for your bad pitney because I must out ya and me get arthritis in my right liver too. Love you.